Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. And today we're building set 7197, Lego Indiana Jones Venice Canal Chase. And yes, you did hear me correctly. I only used 4 numbers in the product number because this is an older set. It came out June 1st, 2009, so almost 15 years ago. And contained 420 pieces. And the set was based on the speederboat chase from Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. And I no longer have the box because I have previously built this set. I built it when it came out, and it's been sitting in my in a storage box for the longest time. I finally came across it and decided to rebuild it for this channel. This is actually the kickoff for a long series of rebuilds that I'm going to do. I call this my Dark Ages because this was my Lego from when I was younger, before I got into it, creating content for social media. So yeah, 420 pieces, and most of it is in a Ziploc bag. I did do a piece inventory, and what I didn't have, I placed a Bricklink order for the remainder of it. So when you're watching this, and this should be out sometime in April of 2024, this is the first in a long series of rebuilds, classic sets, long retired sets. And I'm looking forward to rebuilding these and revisiting these classic sets and looking at how sets were built in previous years. So let's go ahead and open all of this up and let's get to it. Welcome back to my review of set 7197, the Lego Indiana Jones Venice Canal Chase. And we're going to start with the minifigure selection today. So, first of all, we have Indiana Jones, of course. Comes with a revolver, his whip, and his hairpiece can be changed out for his trademark fedora, just like that. Really neat. We also have two other minifigures. There were the Knights of the Cruciform Sword. This one was actually named Qasim, and this one was an unnamed member of his faction. Same torso, same legs, same fez on top, different face printing and different accessories. Other than that, that was really the only difference between these two. And we have Dr. Elsha Schneider, who is the Austrian academic who was turned out to work for the bad Germans in the movie. And I discovered through placing bricklink orders to replace the missing parts from this set, which I did have some, including this, that this is an exclusive minifigure to this set. This is not found in any other set, only to the Venice Canal Chase. So I figured that was really cool. Also, we have, there's no stickers in this set. Everything is printed. That is required printing, including this really cool little piece, which is a map to the Holy Grail. Very cool. And the beginning of the set, we had these two marker buoys. They're two different heights, pretty basic. The entire first stage was the Venice dock, which was really nice. This dock is very nice. I like the alternating browns. The steps are kind of basic, couple arches here. And on this side, we have the sewer that they emerge from in the movie. If you've ever seen it, this lid just pops off, and we even get a little rat piece, because there's rats in the movie if you've never seen it. Stages 2 and 3 were both very similar. They were both the two speedboats from the movie. This one here with the darker tan tiles on it and the red flag on the back was the stage 2. And the stage 3 was the one with the lighter tan paneling on it. Very similar construction in both. A lot of play functions in this set, a lot of posability of minifigures and scenery in this. I remember enjoying it back in 2009 when it first came out, and I enjoyed it now 15 years later. Very kind of simplistic. It shows its age a little bit as far as a Lego set is concerned. If it was made today, they would probably do some very drastically different things with it. But as it is, this is a little piece of Lego history that I enjoyed. And I hope that if you have this set, please let me know in the comments if you still have the set, or if you enjoyed it, whatever memories of the set you have. And that really concludes the review for today. So thank you for watching. Thank you for any likes and subscribes that you give for this video and for this channel. I really appreciate it. Please follow me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram. Both are linked in the description. And keep on building. Bye.